Welcome to Terra Naturals. Gulkand, a digestive tonic, so sweet, so cool, so beneficial, and amazing simple recipe with honey and rose petals. Let's get started. Roses, both in the form of rose petals and rose essence, offer various potential benefits. Rich in antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties. Today I am using this dark pink color paneer rose. If you get this light baby pink paneer rose, it is always better. Nowadays it's tough to get these country paneer rose, but this hybrid paneer rose is available in the market. Paneer rose has a very good aroma and fragrance. The flower petals are edible and are used to flavor food. Remove the petals and wash it with salt added water to remove impurities. Roses are loaded with tons of antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It supports body's natural collagen production, which is basically responsible for healthy skin, hair and nails. After washing, use the filter like this to drain the water. Use a white cloth and spread the petals and dry it in the room temperature. Almost I dried the petals for 10 to 12 days. Add the dried petals into the glass jar. Add required amount of honey. The petals should fully immersed with the honey. Mix all together properly and seal the jar. Place the jar in a sunlight minimum for 30 days and maximum for 45 days. Daily you need to stir the contents with a spoon each morning before keeping in the sun. My Gulkand after 45 days. You will get this consistency. So the Gulkand is ready. Gulkand is an ancient Indian delicacy to calm the senses and boost your mind. It's a natural coolant. Make your perfect recipes to beat the heat with Gulkand. You can make Gulkand milkshake, Gulkand lassi, Gulkand ice cream, Gulkand muffins, Gulkand truffles, Gulkand pan, etc. Consuming Gulkand as it is can be a delightful experience. The sweet and aromatic flavor of the rose is a unique treat on its own. Many people enjoy taking a small spoon of Gulkand directly or spreading it on bread. Once give a try to this recipe and leave your feedback. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, like my channel, share with your friends and subscribe for more new videos.